This is the last of the undefeated in the 7,500-pound class right here. Cody off the pad, Cody. Off the pad, Cody. Thank you, sir. Here we go, watch the lights. Green light go.
Green light go.
Justin's tires are almost dry.
Maybe not, I don't know.
He must be down there with a heater.
Go. Heater, 2 out of 3. Oh, it's cold. Yeah.
But Ray G's into the pad is dried up pretty good.
Black got it. Black got it.
Uh-oh. We just seen the Chevy spin a tire.
Yup, Black got it.
Justin's starting to edge forward just a little bit.
Yep.
Let's see if he can capitalize on it. Them pit bulls are sliding backwards. Uh-oh. He don't have a free run on it yet. He's turning the tires also. This is like chess right here. When one slips, the other one gains about 2 inches.
Don't give an inch. Hey man, that's for the break.
We're at about 1 minute.
Give her, Blackie, give it. Pedal down. Go.
Hey, I need y'all off the pad, please.
Give her.
Or not.
Put her down. Hammer. Take it home. Go, Ford, go.
Slowly but surely dragging the Chevrolet backwards.
No.
Got about 30 seconds left. About 30 seconds left. Let's see what happens. And that's it. Line them back up. No messing with the tires.
Hey man,
The winner of this right here is guaranteed no less than second place.
y'all gonna buy a new transmission tomorrow.
All right, everybody clear the pad, here we go again. Ray G 1, Justin 0. And the Chevrolet's cocking up on his side. See the leaf spring spreading.
Fucking go, bro.